Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to English grammar class. The topic that we have today is a new topic which you people are not familiar with. This topic has been added by the CBSE board for the first time in class 10 syllabus. The name of the topic is a close passage. So today in this particular video we are going to deal with what the meaning of a close passage, and I will give you tips and tricks of solving such questions comfortably. Before we move on to the various tips that we have in store, I would first like to explain the meaning of a close passage. So the definition is displayed on the screen. I'm reading that. A close passage is a test of the ability to comprehend a text in which the reader has to supply the missing words that have been removed from the text at regular intervals. The meaning is that it is a passage with a theme and it has got certain blanks which are to be correctly filled by the students based on the meaning of the passage, the theme of the passage. Right? So the meaning is you have to read the passage carefully, and then you have to, based on your understanding of the passage, you have to fill in the blanks. Right? So this is what a close passage is. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about the close test. Remember, a close test, dear children, is an exercise. I'm just reading the definition and meaning of a close test that you will be required to take in half yearly and final examination, because this question is going to be there according to the question paper pattern. So, what is a close test? A close test is an exercise where a passage is provided with certain words missing from it. Actually, it is a combination of fill in the blanks and reading comprehension. It is important to understand the flow and context of a passage. So the meaning is very clear that a close test is an exercise in which the fill in the blanks would be there, and on the basis of your understanding of the passage, you will be required to fill in the blanks correctly. Is that right? So, I'm going to discuss the tricks and the method of attempting such a test. Okay? So, I'm going to discuss this in the next slide. Okay, so the tips to handle close test. So here are the tips which are meant for all of you. Please go through it, understand it, and then listen to the explanation given by me. The first tip is read thoroughly. Read the passage thoroughly to get an idea of the passage. Read slowly and gain an understanding of the text. Once the theme of the paragraph is clear, it becomes easy to fill in the blanks. The meaning is, first you have to read the passage quietly and attentively. because once you read the passage, you will get the meaning of the passage, and then you will be able to form your opinion about what those blanks could be. The second tip is link the sentences together. Always remember, it is a passage, so the sentences are linked to one another. Never make a mistake of treating every sentence an individual one. So the meaning is that it has to be read together. You have to link the sentences. There is a relation between the first, second and the subsequent sentences. You have to understand that inner meaning. Until and unless you do so, it won't be possible for you to understand the answers. Right? Now coming to the third tip, type of word to fill in. Look at the blanks carefully and try to assess which kind of word to put in the blank. Words can be based on grammar, prepositions, tenses, vocabulary, etc. So you have to identify what part of speech will be coming in that particular blank. Number one, it may be prepositions, it may be adjectives, it may be some other part of speech, or otherwise there may be a tense which has to be used in order to complete the passage, or it could be a vocabulary based input in the blank. Are you getting me? So this is how you have to figure out in your mind as to how you are going to get the requisite answers. Now coming to the next tip, tone. The tone of the passage is something which we need to understand in order to complete the question. By tone, we mean that a passage may contain some specific tone like narrative tone, critical tone, sarcastic tone, humorous tone, etc. So, always make a right choice of a word. The meaning is, read the passage and try to understand the tone of the passage, and once you understand the tone of the passage, you will be able to select or get a suitable word for the blanks which are there in the question. Understood? Now the next is negate options. Sometimes words are too close in meaning. Sometimes words are too close in meaning. So the best solution in such a case is eliminating wrong choices. That can help. Okay, so negate options. Sometimes words are too close. Eliminating wrong choices can help. And the last tip is look for the keywords. Pay close attention to keywords. For an example, the hints, clues in the sentences before and after the given blank. So these are the tips which you have to bear in mind in order to complete such questions. Okay? Okay, so I have given a sample question which you people have to read, understand and attempt on the basis of the options, multiple choices given at the end of the question. So this is a sample question which is meant for understanding. You will have to practice many such questions which will be sent to you in the form of assignment. Okay? So look at the sample question. It says, much has happened in the intervening years. It has become harder, blank one, to discern the true meaning of human clothing. We have in some sense been softened up to the idea through movies, cartoons, jokes and intermittent commentary in the mass media. some serious, most light-hearted. We have become dash blank 2, donation and surrogate pregnancy. Animal biotechnology has dash blank 3, transgenic animals and a dash blank 4, science of genetic engineering, easily transferable to humans. Even more important, changes in the broader culture now make it dash blank 5, to express a common and respectful understanding of sexuality, procreation, nascent life, family, and the meaning of motherhood, fatherhood, and the links between the generations. Now here are the options which are displayed on the screen. These options are for all the 5 blanks A, B, C, D and E. Now you have to look at the options carefully and decide which option will be the best, the most suitable in that blank. There are 5 options given in each question. So select your options carefully on the basis of your understanding of the passage. Okay, now look at the solution. If you have attempted the question, I am giving you the solutions which are highlighted in red color. Okay, all the 5 blanks, the right answers are displayed on the screen. I have given you the answers because it was a sample question. In the subsequent paragraph, I have also explained why that particular option is the most suitable answer. So this is something which you have to understand. Read and understand the logic behind choosing that particular option as an answer. So this will help you in understanding the concept of closed paragraph and will also help you in attempting such questions in future. That's all we have today, and I will be sending some assignment questions based on this grammar topic in our Campus Care app. Okay, so that's all from my side. Bye bye and have a great day.